Picture a world where credit issues no longer stand in your way. A world where collections, tax liens, student loans, and repossessions are no longer barriers to your dreams. Welcome to the reality that Epic Resolutions has been creating for over 25 years. The journey to credit repair often starts with a common problem. Perhaps it's that stubborn tax lien that's been lingering for years, or the student loan that feels like a mountain too steep to climb. Maybe it's a series of collections that have accumulated, or a repossession that's keeping you awake at night. These are the issues that many individuals grapple with daily, and they are the very issues that we, at Epic Resolutions, are passionate about resolving. Listen to the words of Jane, a satisfied customer. Epic Resolutions took my credit score from a dismal 450 to an impressive 700 in just over a year. They were professional, understanding, and diligent in removing the old negative accounts that were holding me back. Or consider the testimonial of John, another gratified client. I was drowning in student loan debt and it was affecting my credit score negatively. Epic Resolutions not only helped me deal with the debt but also rebuilt my credit. Today, I am debt-free and my credit score is better than ever. Good credit isn't just a number, it's a gateway to living comfortably. It's the key to unlocking the doors to your dreams. It's the foundation on which you can build a better, more secure future. And that's where Epic Resolutions comes in. We're not just a service, we're a lifeline. We're the trusted partner that helps you navigate the murky waters of credit repair, ensuring that you're not just afloat, but cruising towards your financial goals. So make the call, send that email, or shoot us a text. Let's establish a more solid credit foundation together. Epic Resolutions is the place for help when help is needed. Visit epicresolutions.com to learn more about us. Thank you for lending your ears. And remember, good credit is within your reach. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click that bell to stay updated. Because at Epic Resolutions, we believe in turning credit problems into epic resolutions.